Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You will install Microsoft Word and begin immediately. Open the Play Store, find Word, and tap Install, then open the app. Sign in with your Microsoft account or choose to work offline if you prefer. Once done, grant storage permission so files can be saved locally and to OneDrive. Tap the blue plus or new button and select Blank Document to start. Use the on-screen keyboard and basic toolbar to type a title and first paragraph. Make sure autosave is visible if you signed in. Now you'll structure the document for clarity and polish. Tap the Home tab to apply heading styles, bold or italicized text, and set alignment. Headings create a navigable document. Next, use Insert to add pictures, tables, or page breaks. Resize images with drag handles and wrap text as needed. To control spacing and margins, open Layout, change orientation to portrait or landscape, and adjust margins for printing. Make sure to use Undo and Redo if you make a mistake, and preview the document before saving. Finish by saving and exporting correctly so you don't lose work. Tap File and choose Save or Save a Copy. Pick DocX for Word compatibility or PDF to lock formatting. Select OneDrive to enable autosave, or choose this device to keep a local copy. To send the document, use Share and pick Email, Link Sharing, or Export to Google Drive. If the app freezes, force close, clear cache, update, or reinstall Word. Make sure you back up the current file by exporting before reinstalling to avoid data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.